obeys sit-at-home order on Monday to support Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB tells Southeast. So my fellow Biafrans, every Monday is a sit-at-home until our leader Nnamdi Kanu is freed. I'm going to read to us how it has been and the reason for this sit-at-home order. I read. The proscribed indigenous people of Biafra in brackets IPOB has asked all residents of the Southeast region to comply with its sit-at-home order every Monday until its leader Nnamdi Kanu is released. Kanu is facing charges bordering on treasonable felony brought against him by the Nigerian government over his campaign for the Republic of Biafra. IPOB had on July 30th ordered a sit-at-home in the region. The proscribed group said the lockdown tact goes Monday will also affect schools and marketplaces. It threatens to shut down economic activities in the region, adding that the violators of the order would be visited with violence. A powerful IPOB publicity secretary in a statement on Sunday advised all residents to stay indoors in total compliance on Monday. The statement read, "We, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, led by Nnamdi Kanu, wish to remind all Biafrans and friends of Biafrans that the Monday sit-at-home order is sacrosanct. The entire Biafra land will be locked down every Monday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. beginning from tomorrow, August 9, 2021, until our leader Nnamdi Kanu, who was abducted in Kenya and brought back to Nigeria and locked up in DSS in bracket Department of State Services dungeon, is in clear violation of international laws, is freed. Consequently, there will be no movement throughout Biafra land on Mondays until our leader, who is suffering for our freedom, is released. This protest is peaceful but firm. Everybody is advised to stay indoors in total compliance. All markets, schools, motor parks, airports, and public places in Biafra land should shut down from morning till evening every Monday. We understand the economic implications of these measures, but we are constrained to take it so that the world will know that our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is not alone in the struggle of Biafra autonomy. We want his immediate release and our total freedom and cannot hesitate to pay any sacrifice needed to achieve this, including locking down the entire Biafra land on Mondays. All residents and visitors in Biafra land are advised to comply with the order. Nobody should go out to avoid any clash or intimidation by the wicked Nigeria security agents. So my people, here is the reason why we need to stay at home. And you have seen by yourselves how everywhere is locked, and we are all complying to it, my people, until our leader Nnamdi Kanu is free. No one is going out every Monday. Economy shuts down, schools shut down, marketplaces shut down, airports shut down. Stay at home. Are you a friend to a Biafran? Are you a Biafran? Stay at home until the government of the Janjaweed community gets to know that we are serious about this. The world has to understand that we are serious about it, and that our leader Nnamdi Kanu is not alone. He might be in the dungeons of the DSS, but he is with us in spirit. And remember what he said. He said he would not betray us, but we will be the one to betray him. Do not be that scapegoat that will betray Nnamdi Kanu, because you will be treated accordingly. You will be sent back to the maker for your judgment. We stand on this. No place is open. Every Monday, economy shuts down. Comply, whether a friend to a Biafran or you are living in the neighborhoods in the Biafra land. Obey now before we finish with you. You must obey because this fight has come to stay. The Biafrans have come to stay. Freedom is here. No turning back. We go ahead and we move forward. No turning back. So my people, I'm going to stop this video here. Please, if you are here up to now, you've not subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button, by turning on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. You have seen the reasons why we have to stay back home, and you have seen the consequences, what will happen if you don't stay back home. So you are giving your life and everything in your own hands. Are you staying home? Are you with us, or you are against us? And if you are against us, whatever come your way, may you take it accordingly. We are people of peace and we want peace, and because of that, it doesn't mean that anybody that play anyhow, we will not deal with the person accordingly. So my people, I will stop the video here. Subscribe and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. Share the video with your friends and families. Like the video, write on the comment section what you think, and I'll see you on my next video. One love.